Hello folks, I'm Mark Johnson and our company Artisan Restoration has been hired to do log restoration on this home, and we've got the sandblasting done, or media blasting. I guess we actually use recycled glass these days. Cuts a lot better and speeds up the process. We've replaced some logs on the end over here. We call them the crowns. You can see probably at least a half a dozen here, plus a log underneath the window here, and a portion of a log up on top, and the log over the window has to be done yet, as well as the crowns on this end here that are sticking out past the fascia board, so they take a lot more weather than they really should. So anyway, the worst part about the logs and their condition is hidden over here, where we got into it yesterday and we cut off some of these ends here. You can see how bad they are, and we've tarped this side here because we've opened it up, and there's some fans going inside here, so you won't be able to see or won't be able to hear me very well. So just take a look at what I'm talking about. So anyway, we knew it was going to be bad, but I didn't think it was going to be this bad. We're actually going to cover this wall, and we're going to put siding on it to match the siding up there in the upper half of the wall. So instead of trying to repair it, but we're drying it out right now with these fans to make sure we don't seal a bunch of moisture inside when we close it up. So they'll be running over the weekend here, and hopefully by next week it will be dry enough to work on. We're going to treat the logs with the boron preservative to kill the fungus that's in the wood and the insects that may be in there also. So we'll see how it looks in a week or so.